In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then click on Vibrate at the top in the middle. And this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select Sound right next to Vibrate and tap on this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. Then scroll down again, click on Call Vibration and apply the best pattern by hitting on one of those. I will go with Fireworks. You can also select Silent to disable it completely, or click on Sync with Ringtone to enable this option. Lastly, manage this slider at the top to adjust intensity of incoming calls vibrations. Then go back, click on Notification Vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back, click on System Vibration and click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. To adjust intensity of system vibration, use this slider at the top. Last but not least, go back again, click on Vibration Intensity, and adjust intensity of incoming calls, notification, system, and media haptic feedback by operating those sliders. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibration Sound for incoming calls to switch on or off this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!